Hi, this is Chinmayi, and today I'm going to be sharing with you another piece of information about how I go about taking care of my voice, and let me take you right in.
Hey, this is Chinmayi.
Put it onto your face. Put it on. So this is called Neerkovai Mathirai. This is basically in Tamil, and this is a Siddha Vaidya medicine. So you will get this in, I usually get it from IMCOPS actually, and this is something that, so you'll find this really small red colored tablet. This is not supposed to be consumed, okay. So what I do is I take 2 of these tablets, take it in my Ammam Dasta, basically that small pestle and mortar, and then I make it into a little bit of powder, just add a couple of drops of water, and then I put a very, the resultant paste is definitely very red. So I go about putting it here, all across my forehead, around my nose and eye area, especially when I feel that, in Tamil they say neer kothukittirukku, where you believe, sometimes when you have sinus, or if you have had a head bath and you believe that you have what they call as head colds, right? So this is something that can help relieve that. Your head will feel a lot lighter. If you have a tendency to get headaches after you have washed your hair, and if you believe that the moisture in your scalp or something is contributing to head colds or migraines or headaches, this Neerkovai Mathirai is something that can really help. I've been using it for years actually, and just as I said, just powder the 2 of these tablets in any sort of a small pestle and mortar that all of us will have in our kitchen. Add just a couple of drops of water so that it just makes a very, very smooth paste. Make sure it's not very watery, and then just apply it around your nose, in this entire area, around your eyes, on your temples, under your ears, right here behind your ears rather, and you can actually go to sleep with it. It quickly dries, and you can go to sleep with it, and you will feel much better the next morning. So this is a tip from me. This helps when you feel a little nasal. If you're a singer and if you feel a little nasal, sometimes this is also something that can help relieve that, okay. Of course that helps it for me. I'm not sure if it will 100% relieve it for you. With all of this, your mileage may vary, but because this is basically herbal medicine stuff, it will not have any sort of aggravating symptoms, and also it is topical. You just wear it on top of your skin. Okay, so I hope it helps you, and until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye bye.